Hello, I'm Hilary from Jiggery Pokery Embroidery Kits. I'm going to show you how to do an 8-point star. You can see them here outlining this middle shape. There are other stars in this design that are scattered in between the other shapes. Those are 5-point stars and I'll show you how to do those in a separate video. So bring your needle up at the end of one of the spokes. Down to the bottom of the opposite one, then out to the right hand side, pull your thread through, down on the left hand side, then up to the left, down to the right, down to the bottom of the last spoke and up through the top of the last spoke. Now, it doesn't really matter which order you do the stitches in, but it does help if you keep your stitches in the same order so that each shape looks exactly the same. It's a small point, doesn't really make that much difference, but it does look neater if all the stars are stitched the same way when they're close together like this one.